Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and let me show you how to set up alarm on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications. Now find and select Clock App, it's right here. And now if you would like to set some alarm, just tap on plus icon. And now pick the hour on which it should ring, so it can be for example 7 AM. Then choose the days on which it should be active, it can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Then you can add some alarm name. So let me enter Wakey Wakey. Click on Save, and now as you can see, on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday at 7 AM, your alarm will ring with Wakey Wakey name. Then you can switch it off for some time, and then you can smoothly activate it the same way. Also, a bit lower, you can change the alarm sound, the vibration, and also snooze. So let me start with alarm sound. This is how you can change the volume. And if you click on ringtone and then allow the access, you can pick whichever you would like to have. So let me choose, for example, 80s phone. This will definitely wake me up properly. So let's leave it this way. Then you can switch on and off vibration. I will leave them with basic cell, then it can be heartbeat, tick-tock, waltz, and zig-zig-zig. But I will stay with basic. And finally you can deactivate or activate and personalize the snooze. So I will pick 10 minutes interval 5 times. And this is it. If you would like to let me save it. And if you would like to delete this alarm, you just have to tap on the more icon right here, click on delete, and mark the alarm that you would like to get rid of. Tap on delete, and as you can see, it's no longer here. So that would be all. This is how you can set up alarm on your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.